Hello students, last time we have studied substitution method for solving pair of linear equations to variables. Today we will solve elimination method. We will see the elimination method to find the solution of this given pair of linear equations. So the meaning of the elimination, to eliminate means to remove. So we have to remove one of the variable out of these two. So now just look at these four terms. Here we can make out signs of y were different, and so it is easy to eliminate y. So to eliminate y, what we have to do is we have to equate this coefficient of y. So to equate, what we have to do is we have to multiply this by 5. So I am writing this as equation 1, this is equation 2. So this 5 I am multiplying here, and this 3 I am multiplying here. And so when we multiply equation 1 by 5, what we will get? 5 for the 20x minus sign as it is, 5 3 the 15y is equal to 24 5 the 24 5 the is 120 minus sign as it is. So here equation 2 multiplied by 3, 3 2 the 6x plus sign as it is, 3 5 the 15y is equal to 14 3 the 42. Since signs are already different, we have to just add it as it is. So we are adding equation 1 and 2 here. So when we add, we get 20x plus 6x is 26x. So minus 15 and plus 15y cancels. So it gives us 0. So I am not writing it. Is equal to here 120 minus 120 and plus 42. So when the signs are different, what we have to do is we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and give the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is minus 120, so sign of bigger number is minus. And so 120 minus 120 minus 42. So I am taking this here, 10 minus 2 is 8, 1, 7. So it is minus 78. And therefore x is equal to minus 78. This is 26 multiplied by x. So when this 26 I am taking to other side, here it is multiplication, there other side it goes as division. So minus 78 upon 26, we know 26 1s are 26, 3s are 78, and therefore x is equal to minus 3. So we got the value of x. Now as we have done in the previous substitution method, same way we have to substitute this x is equal to minus 3 in either 1 or 2. Just look at these two equations. Here there is a negative sign, this becomes more easy. So we will substitute x is equal to minus 3 in 2, in equation 2. So you can substitute either 1 or 2. So 2 looks to be easy, so I am substituting in 2. So 2 into minus 3, in place of x I am substituting minus 3, plus 5 into y is equal to 14. 2 into minus 3, 2 into 3 is 6, plus into minus is minus, plus 5y is equal to 14, and therefore 5y is equal to 14. This minus 6, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 6, and therefore 5y is equal to 20, and therefore y is equal to, this is 5y means 5 multiplied by y. When 5 goes to other side, it becomes division upon 5. So 5 1s are 5 4s are, and therefore y is equal to 4. And therefore solution x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4. Yesterday we have seen how to check whether we are correct. So I will do the rough work. I will check it. Here 4 into minus 3 will be 4 3 the minus 12, and 4 into 3 again 12, minus 12, this gives us minus 24. This is first equation is satisfied. We will go for the second equation. 3 into 2 is minus 6, and 4 into 5 is 20. So minus 6 plus 20 is plus 14. Yes, here plus 14. So our answer is correct. So x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4. Satisfies both these equations, hence why x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4 is the equation of the solution of these two equations. Okay, we'll see one more equation. So here 7x minus 2y is equal to 11. I'm writing this as 1. 5x minus 2y is equal to 8. This I'm writing as 2. So in the previous problem we have seen how we can eliminate y. So here I will show you to eliminate x. So we can eliminate either x or y. So to eliminate x, I have to equate the coefficient of x. So what I have to do is I have to multiply this by 5. This 5 goes here and this 7 I am multiplying here. And therefore 5 multiplied by 7 is 35x minus sign as it is. 5 3s are 15y is equal to 11 5s are 55. And second equation 7 5s are 35x. 7 into minus sign as it is, 7 into 2 is 14y is equal to 7 8s are 56. Here since signs are same, we cannot cancel as it is. So we have to subtract it. So I am just keeping some space to change the sign. So whenever we are subtracting, we have to change sign of all. So here this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. So here sign is not given, means plus sign. And then I am subtracting it. So for subtraction I am changing all three signs of second equation. So plus 35x minus 35x cancels. So minus 15 plus 14 will give us minus 1y is equal to here minus 56 plus 55. So 56 minus 55 is 1 and sign of bigger number is 56, so sign is minus 1, and therefore minus sign cancel with minus sign, therefore y is equal to 1. So we got the value of one variable y. So now substitute y is equal to 1 in either 1 or 2. Both the equations are almost same, so I'll substitute in 1. Y is equal to 1 in 1. So what we'll get? 7x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 11. Therefore 7x minus 3 equal to 11. 7x equal to, this minus 3 goes to other side as plus 3. So 11 plus 3, and therefore 7x equal to 11 plus 3 is 14. And therefore x is equal to 14. This 7 is multiplication. When it goes to other side becomes division. So 7 1s are, 7 2s are, and therefore x is equal to 2. And therefore solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Always while writing solution we have to write value of x first. Okay, we'll check it. We'll check. So in equation 1, 7 into 2 will be 14 minus 3 1s are 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. Yes, it satisfies. Second equation 5 2s are 10 minus 2. 2 1s are 2 is 2 is equal to 8. And therefore this values satisfies both this equation, and therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equations.